tissue covering the processes of the jaws. Heart. A hollow, muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body. Bone. One of the hard parts that form a frame inside the body. Skin. The largest organ of the body. Small intestine. The part of the digestive system in which most chemical digestion takes place. Large intestine. The last section of the digestive system where water is absorbed from food and the remaining material is eliminated from the body. Stomach. A muscular and elastic sac that serves mainly to store food, break it up mechanically, and begin chemical digestion of proteins and fat. Navel, belly button. A small round place in the middle of someone's stomach where they were separated from their mother at birth. Artery. A blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart. Vein. A blood vessel that carries blood back to the heart. Lungs. Main organs of the respiratory system. Kidneys. Filter blood from the renal arteries and produce urine as waste. Brain. An organ of soft nervous tissue contained in the skull of vertebrates, functioning as the coordinating center of sensation and intellectual and nervous activity. Liver. The organ in your body that cleans your blood and produces bile. Spine. The row of bones down or along the middle of a human's or animal's back. Shin. The front of the leg below the knee. Tongue. Manipulates food for chewing and swallowing, a taste organ. Nostrils. Either of two openings in the nose. Forehead. The upper part of the face between the eyes and the hair. Eyelids. Two movable flaps of skin which cover and uncover each eyeball. Earlobes. The extra skin at the bottom of the ear. Throat. The area at the back of your mouth and inside your neck. Chin. The center of the bottom part of your face, below your mouth and above your neck. Eyebrows. Located superior to the eye, they partially shade the eyes and protect them from sweat. Eyelashes. Hair that project from the border of each eyelid. Pupil. The opening through which light enters the eye. Shoulder. One of the two parts of your body between your neck and the top of your arms. Chest. The upper front part of your body between your neck and your stomach. Elbow. The part in the middle of your arm where it bends. Forearm. The lower part of your arm between your elbow and your wrist. Wrist. The part of your body between your hand and your arm. Toes. Fingers on your legs. Thumb. The part at the side of your hand that is like a wide finger. Vocal cords. Folds of tissue within larynx that vibrate and produce sounds. Ankle. The part at the bottom of your leg where your foot joins your leg. Soles. The underside of the foot or shoe from the toes to the heel. Instep. The part of a person's foot between the ball and the ankle. Tendon. Connects muscle to bone. Heel. The back part of your foot below your ankle. Waist. The narrowing of the body between the ribs and hips. Spinal cord. Nerves that run up and down the length of the back and transmit most messages between the body and brain. cheeks, the soft part on each side of your face below your eyes. Muscle, tissue composed of fibers that can contract, causing movement of an organ or part of the body. Cells, the smallest part of a living structure that can operate as an independent unit. Tissue, a group of similar cells that perform the same function. Temples, the flat area on either side of your forehead next to your eyes. Thigh, the part of the leg between the hip and the knee. Calf. Index finger, the finger next to the thumb, also called pointer finger. Ribs, the bones in the chest that protect the heart and lungs. Palm, the inside part of your hand between your fingers and your wrist. Wink, closing one eye quickly as a signal. Squat, sit on one's heels. Bend, to lean forwards and downwards or to move the top part of your body forwards and downwards. Jaw, the lower part of your face that includes your chin and your bottom teeth. Blink, a reflex that closes and opens the eyes rapidly. Breathe in, to take air into your lungs through your nose or mouth. Breathe out, to send air out of your lungs through your nose or mouth. Scratch, rub with your nails. Shake, to make lots of quick small movements up and down or side to side. Shrug, raise one's shoulders to indicate indifference or resignation. Chew, biting and grinding food in your mouth so it becomes soft enough to swallow. Frown, a facial expression of dislike or displeasure. Rumble, the sound of your stomach when you are hungry. Lick, to touch with the tongue. Swallow, to make food or drink go down your throat and towards your stomach. Stare, a fixed look with eyes open wide. Water, when saliva begins to form in your mouth because you are hungry. Mutter, talk indistinctly, usually in a low voice. Whisper, to speak very softly or quietly. Nod, to move your head up and down. Hum, to make musical sounds with your lips closed. Sip, to drink in small amounts. Punch, to hit hard with a fist. Grab, to take hold of something or someone suddenly. Limp, to walk with difficulty because of an injured leg or foot. Stroke, to gently move your hand over skin, hair, or fur. Taste, to eat or drink something and to experience its flavor. Sniff, to smell. Clap, to hit your hands together many times to show that you liked something or admire someone.